your home ready for the holidays. You've got all your guests coming through. We do have a couple of products that could actually make this time of the year a whole lot easier than it was last year.
Yeah, we're going to start with what is touted as the world's most advanced vacuum cleaner. It's this little guy right here. And I thought that was my son. It is not my son. Not your son.
No, it is this machine right here.
So I'm glad that you're teaching your kids to vacuum already. That was my chore as a kid growing up. This is the Sirena water vacuum. It's also like an air purifier. I'm going to turn it on here. Let's see, like here. Okay, we've decided to use it on this very, very dirty carpet. This little area rug here has been around for about 5 years. Look at the suction.
Oh my gosh, it's got some.
I might need help with the suction. Thank you. It's such a great cleaner, and it's a, you know, it's an air purifier. It's great for people who have difficulties with asthma. It's fantastic. The suction is so intense that look, Ken's having to hold down the rug for me.
It's like an arm workout for you too, isn't it?
Look at these lines. This is the first time in 5 years this rug has been cleaned. So there's a lot going on here. All right, I'm just going to show you just with those, what, 3 or 4 sweeps of that rug.
Look at that, huh?
This is my favorite part because I like to see what I've cleaned, right? I just got to show you the water here.
Ew.
Because this speaks volumes, doesn't it? Look at that gunky nut stuff that I pulled up just from this carpet from 3 or 4 swipes. So
like
it really does. The suction, it goes right into the water. It doesn't go out into the air. So that was the Sirena. It's $8.99, but they say that's about 1/3 of the price of all of its top competitors. So there you go.